Hello Ivydale, welcome to week 12 singing assembly for phase 1. Hope everybody is really well. Let's go back to one of our old favourite warm-ups by doing a physical warm-up. I'm going to put on a backing track and I want you to do each action that I do 8 times before we change. The first one's going to be shaking up high in the air. So make sure you're standing up, make sure you've got lots of space around you. Let's get cracking. Each one to 8. Off we go. Shake. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and jump. Jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and nod. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For your wrists. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and clap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do a dance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go swimming. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be a robot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, everybody. So, this time, I'm going to put the track on again, and whether you're at home or whether you're at school, I would like you to make up your own actions. So, you might need to pause the video in a second to decide, if you're at school, who is the one calling out the actions. It could be your teacher, or the teacher could nominate somebody in the class who can think of 10 different actions really quickly and shout out one word, just like shake or jump. You can't shout out a whole sentence, you've got to be punchy, you've got to think of something. So pause the video if you need to decide who is going to do that. Good, and once you've done that, that person gets ready and everyone else ready to follow those actions. We're going to do 10 actions, going to try that track again. And I'm just going to help you with the counting and let you do your own actions at home or at school. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and change. Last one coming up. Well done. Excellent. Good. So hopefully we're all physically warmed up, and now we're going to warm up our voices. Well done. So I thought we'd go back to one of our old favourite warm-ups, which is the Moose song, and we're going to sing it. There's 4 different verses. We're going to go up a key each time to warm up our voices. And always I'm going to leave a gap. So the whole song is my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn, all the way through. Okay? So, there was a great big moose. Here we go. There was a great big moose. He liked to drink a lot of juice. There was a great big moose. He liked to drink a lot of juice. Singing oh way oh. Way-oh, 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 way-oh. Way-oh, way-oh. Way-oh, 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 way-oh. Good, and then we go up. So the second verse, the moose's name was Fred. He liked to drink juice in his bed. The moose's name was Fred. He liked to drink juice in his bed. Singing oh way oh, way oh way oh way oh way oh, way oh way oh, drank his juice with care, but he spilled it in his hair. He drank his juice with care, but he spilled it in his hair. Singing oh way oh, 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 way oh. Good, and finally, now he's a sticky mouse who likes to drink a lot of juice. Now he's a sticky mouse who likes to drink a lot of juice. Singing oh way oh, 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 way oh. Very good everyone, well done. Okay, I'm going to teach you another little silly warm-up, which is called William, he had 7 sons. And that's all the words you need, okay? And the song goes like this. William, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. William, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. Can you sing that with me? William, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. William, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. So you're going up, and then at the end you're coming back down again. But the complicated bit about the song is we're going to be adding actions. And because he has 7 sons, we're going to sing it 7 times, and each time we're going to add another action. So if you are at home or in the classroom and you can do this sitting down but with a nice straight back, then do. If you're in the hall at school, spread out, but actually you need to stand up because you're going to need some actions where we're tapping our feet, or if you're standing up you can be stamping your feet and you can be patting your legs as you're standing up. Or if you're sitting down like this, make sure you're sitting up ready for singing really nicely, but you can be doing what I'm doing here. Okay, so the actions we're going to need is, first of all, we're just going to do our right hand leg. And it's just going to be on the first beat of the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second time it happens, we're going to add in the left leg, so it's like we're marching or we're stamping on 1, 3. 1 and 3. Good. And the third time, we're going to add in clapping onto the leg that's moving. So your right hand clapping on your right leg. 1, 3. 1, 3. The fourth time, we're going to add in the other hand. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. And the fifth time, on the second beat of the bar, so in between the 2 legs moving, you're going to add a clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Try in with me. This is a slightly harder one. Just get used to this one. And then we need to add in on the 6th time a clap on the 4th beat of the bar. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just to be really silly at the end, the 7th time, we're just going to nod our head all the way through at the same time as doing all this, okay? Let's see if we can have a go at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hopefully you've got the hang of the actions because we're going to add in the singing now. It's just that simple pattern going over and over, but each time we're going to go up a key and help warm up our voices. So, let's go back to the very beginning where we're just moving one leg. Here we go. Okay, here we go. William, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. William, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. Let's add in the second action. William, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. William, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. Let's add in the third action. William, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. William, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. Other hand. William, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. William, he had 7 sons, William, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. William, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. Very good. Add in another clap. William, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. William, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. Last one with the nodding. William, he had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. William, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. Very good. So you can try that at home and add in your own silly actions if you like and make it as complicated as you wish. Okay, good luck with that one. Let's go on to our song for today. Our song for this week is a silly one about trying to have barbecues in the summertime, and it all goes wrong when it rains. So let's learn it by my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn, and you'll get the hang of it quickly because it repeats itself quite a lot. Let's try. Monday night, went to a barbecue. 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 Then it goes back again. Monday night, went to a barbecue. Monday night, went to a barbecue. And then it's my turn again. And the rain came down. I'm going to do a little clap. And the rain came down. Your turn. And the rain came down. Good. And then it goes into the chorus. It goes like this. The rain came down and drowned the burger buns. Your turn. The rain came down and drowned the burger buns. Good. My turn again. Rain came down and drowned the burger buns. Rain came down and drowned the burger buns. My turn. Rain came down and drowned the burger buns. Your turn. Rain came down and drowned the burger buns. And the last one is, I got the barbecue blues. I got the barbecue blues. Good. And that's all there is to the song. But each time it goes back to the verse, we're going to have Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, and Friday night. And finally, on Friday night, we changed the words a little bit because instead of the rain coming down, finally the sun came out. Okay? So we're going to have the words up to show you. The only extra tiny little bit that you need is at the beginning, before the whole piece starts, there's a little introduction, and that is exactly the same as what we sing at the end of the piece. Okay? So that goes like this. Oh, barbecue blues, barbecue blues. I got the barbecue blues. Can you sing that with me? Oh, barbecue blues, barbecue blues. I got the barbecue blues. Good. So we're going to have that at the beginning, then we're going to have verse, chorus, 5 times. And then we're going to have at the end that little bit that we had at the beginning as well. Okay, let's stand up and sing the song through. Here we go. Oh, barbecue blues, barbecue blues. I got the barbecue blues. Monday night, went to a barbecue. Monday night, went to a barbecue. Monday night, went to a barbecue. And the rain came down. Very good. Well done, everybody. I hope you enjoyed those fun songs and games this week, and have a lovely summer holiday, whatever you're up to. Hope you have fun, and I look forward to seeing you all back in September. Take care, everyone.